The importance of legal aid, it's really hard to understate it.
Being a part of legal aid helps me go to work every day feeling like I'm part of a mission and able to help the community, empowering those in the community who are often disadvantaged and ignored.
We see so many clients with such a range of legal issues that we are able to identify problems that are affecting all Minnesotans.
I filed for divorce, and needless to say that he did not take it very well. He had said that he was going to make me bankrupt, homeless, lose my children, and a convicted felon. And so there was a law firm that was looking to garnish my wages. 25% of my paycheck was being taken, and at this point I was just kind of trying to survive daily, keep me and my boys safe, keep the bills paid.
It was a trying, turbulent time. 1 month we lost our rent, so it kind of, deteriorated from there. I didn't know about the eviction until I got in the mail.
My heart just broke because, where am I gonna go now? And this is home.
This has been my home for 13 years, and the thought of losing my house really put me in a down spiral.
It's been 40 years that I've been in a wheelchair. I've always gotten 12 hours of PCA services, and I did not know that they were doing a new standardized testing through the county. They took my mobility dependency away and my eating dependency away, which only left me with 6.5 hours a day, and I was devastated.
Minnesota law protects the pay of people who have certain government benefits. And Amy had health insurance from the state that whole time that her pay was being garnished. So she had a right to protect her pay.
When my case was settled and all said and done, I was able to recoup about $10,000, which went towards, helping to support my boys. It made my life so much better, and it made me confident in moving forward in my job, in my life, in parenting, and knowing I made the right decision.
Ernestine called legal aid and was assigned to an attorney named Jim, who met her at the date of her court hearing. And that day, he helped to negotiate her case with the landlord's attorney and reach a settlement agreement to pay back her rent. Ultimately, if Jim hadn't been there, Ernestine might have had to represent herself and negotiate with the landlord's attorney without the help of someone who understood the law and her options.
I'm very grateful for legal aid because they saved my sanity, put it like that. You saved my home. If I wouldn't have legal aid, I don't know what I would have done. I probably would have been on the streets, evicted,
Just to know that I'm gonna be able to still be in my home and in my safe spot, in my safe place, it was just a wonderful feeling.
This case, it all kind of boiled down to this eating dependency. The Minnesota Department of Human Services, their internal policy has been consistently not marking people as dependent who require the assistance to cut up their food. I argued successfully, if you can't cut it up because the dangers there will lead to you choking and dying, then you are dependent in that area. And thankfully the judge saw that as well.
G. Wadden was my lifelink to be able to win my case. I couldn't have done it without him. I was very happy. I felt vindicated. Now it's precedents that other people can use and reference.
I'm a legal aid donor as well as a legal aid employee. And there's no better feeling than knowing for sure the quality of the work that your donation is supporting.
We're trying to help as many people as we can with the funding that we have. We're pretty stretched thin.
If there were ever a time to consider donating to legal aid, now is the time, even more so than before. Our funding sources are uncertain. And so any donation to legal aid will help ensure we can continue doing this important work for families all around the state.
Knowing that I had legal aid in my corner helped me know that I wasn't alone, that my story mattered, that I mattered.
I feel it's important for people to know that legal aid is there to help you. I hope it continues to stay that way for other people.
I am truly, truly grateful and blessed because legal aid came to my rescue. And it would come to a lot of other people rescue if they only knew about it.